Hello everyone, this is Suresh from Azure AD. Today our topic is how to write for loop for insert values into SQL. That means while creating table, we'll write insert script, insert into, then we'll write list down all columns, then we'll write values and columns. Okay, so that one how to do by using for loop. So that we are going to look into this video. So before watching this video, I will recommend you to watch. You go to my pandas playlist, and there I recorded three videos, mainly on strings, how to join the strings. So one video is on how to join list of strings. Second one is how to handle non-string empty null elements. And second one is how to iterate list of columns. Okay. So I recommend you to watch these three videos, then come to this video. Okay. So now we'll see how it comes. So here I have list of columns. Okay. So that is I have element target underscore calls, and I have list of elements. This many list of elements. So for this, I want to create a set script by using for. So what I'm doing. So how script looks? First one is insert. Okay, that is insert. Then we'll write in within parentheses. No, we'll write all the columns. Okay. So now we'll see this one how to generate using for loop. Next values, that is this one values, and whatever this column names for this one, that is this one. So this we will see how it works. So first one is insert. So since it is a string, and for this insert, it has to append plus symbol is given. And if you see this syntax, exactly this syntax, it is very clearly explained in previous videos. Okay. So if you if you watch that video, you will clearly understand this one. So what is this syntax is? I want to join list of strings. Okay, list of strings. This one is my separator, comma is my separator, and the dot join, and this is iterator. Okay, so what is my iterator? Here I am using for loop. You consider this whole thing as I for I in target underscore calls. That is this one. What it means? Each column it has to rotate, iterate, and join. Okay, each column need to join with separator, comma. Okay, so what I given is function double quotes this I. This I is this one. Okay, these columns one by one it will iterate. So that's how we are getting this first one insert. This one same as it is. We are getting space, and then we are appending this one, appending these columns. So what is this output is? First column is serial number. Then what is our separator? Comma. That is this one, comma. And since it is for loop, no, it will take next column. That is target ID. Okay. Serial number, target ID, then separator, then third column, that is target underscore version ID, then comma. Okay, it will go up to all the columns. Okay, so this about insert script. Okay, insert, and within this columns. Next one is space values. That is this one, space, and I'm appending to this iterator. What is this iterator? I have separator is comma dot join. What I want to join, this you consider as I for I in target underscore columns. That means each column need to iterate. But what is the difference here and here is only I. Okay, that means only columns. But here S dot I. That means S dot each column need to iterate here. S dot column, S dot column, like this. If you see here no values, inside that we have S dot column and our separator is comma. Okay, S dot column, comma. Next, second S dot second column, that is target ID, comma. Next S dot third column, separator, comma. And it will go up to all the columns. Okay. So this how it works inside script. So this will mainly use case of SCD type implementation. So I'm doing these videos one by one in series. So that's why I told you watch in this manner. Okay, in this series. Okay, so that's all about this video. If you really like this video, please like and subscribe and share in our circle.